Hi, you're welcome to Curiosity TV. Today, I'll be showing you how to compose message. How to compose message using what desktop mode with your desktop. It's your desktop. I'll also be teaching you how you can switch using mobile phone. How you can switch or Android using mobile Android phone. How you can switch from normal mode to what to desktop mode. To desktop mode, how to compose Gmail, and how to switch to desktop mode using just your Android phone. Now I'm now on my Gmail account. Now click on the option menu. You can see this desktop site. I'm quite sure you have just search for the desktop site, then click on it. It's going to switch. You can see if you click on it, you will see you view Gmail in mobile, older version, and desktop. So now click on this desktop mode. It's what we need. Have you seen? That's taking us to where? Desktop mode. So normally if you check your system, if you input Gmail information www.gmail.com, then you are now on Gmail port. Once you are now on the platform, you will also see it will appear like this. It will appear like this. So after that, you will search for composed. You can see composed mail. You can see composed mail up. Now click on it. You can see. So you can see. It means this is what the message feed to whom we are sending message to. Then the subject, the topic we intend treating. Okay, if it's all about affiliate product, if you are trying to explain affiliate product and etc., you can input the information here. Then you input all the information in this field. So then you create your information. You create your information. This is a signature. So I can't clean this. That's how it will be. And even if I send message, except I cancel it personally, I delete it personally, intentionally. Like I mean, it can't delete on its own. That's how it's. Anytime I open my Gmail portal, it will remain like that. Wait, let me first of all go back to the Gmail platform again for verification and confirm. You can see I'm now on Gmail portal again. Now let me click on the compose mail again. You can see still remain the same. Still remain the same. So that's how you can switch what from mobile mode down to desktop mode, and that's how you can also compose your message through what desktop mode. There's something that distinguishes it from the mobile mode. If you can recall, the mobile mode has what feed forward our email. If it's okay, there is a space for from. That means the message is coming from whom? From this social person. That is, there is indication of our own personal email. If you check up here on this platform, you are going to see our email stated up, but in different what format. Then to whom we are sending it to. Then if you intend copying people, that's it. Then the subject, the topic you intend treating. So that's just it. Thanks for watching today's video. Kindly hit the notification bell and subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop amazing video just like this. Thanks.